I hope we can get to everybody. I wish we had more. We were trying to procure more for our folks because I think the impact of the storm is going to be lasting at least a couple of weeks, so we need to bring more supplies in. So our goal is to continue this even after today.
I've been with the company for 31 years. Our number one priority has always been about our team members and the protection and safety of them and their families. What's going on behind me is the relief effort to help them protect their homes, their families, and make sure that they're all okay.
Today we have 3 semi-trailers of supplies. There's tarps, there's water, I believe there's batteries, and there's generators for employees who need them.
When we realized where the storm was tracking, we started reaching out to our suppliers. We arranged to have 5 trucks brought down. We had trucks come from as far away as Texas, Mississippi, and Atlanta. When we realized just the magnitude of the storm, we actually reached out and had them double our order.
We absolutely care 100% about our employees. That's what matters to us. And so just ensuring that we help them out as quickly as we possibly can.
Well, we live in Punta Gorda, so we were hit pretty bad, but our house made it. No power, no water, so we're kind of roughing it right now, but we're very grateful that we were able to get some help from our company.
So we have no power, no water. Just a real blessing to work for a company that's providing this kind of service to us. I'm gonna have a generator today to hopefully get my water running, so very cool company to work for.
So our employees are very important to us, and this is the way we can give back to them. Hopefully it means as much as it can. Obviously there's a lot of devastation out there today, so if we can provide a little bit of help by giving them a generator, give them a tarp, help them get back up to speed and keep their houses safe while we recover, that's the point.
I haven't been a part of a family like this before, that you just, anytime something, disaster or whatever, you always have a help in it.
It's amazing to know that they got our backs because I never worked for a company like this before.
This is just what we do. It's part of our DNA.